Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you how you can very easily close an application on your Android device. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments after watching the video. Let us get started with you. So, let's say you have published to some app on your Android. And if you've just done something in it, you've done some work, and then you want to exit, often people just click on this main middle button to exit. Yes, that way you will of course exit the app, but you won't close it. So what do you do to close an app? To do that you will need to on your Android, absolutely, and on any works this method. Click on the button where I have 3 bars, you might have 2 bars. If you don't have that button, then you just need to swipe like this. From bottom to top, so that you can see all the windows that you have. And once we click on that button, we can see absolutely all the applications that we currently have open. So we could just exit them, but that doesn't mean we're closed. And in order to close an application, you have to swipe this window, the top, like this. Let me show you again. Just swipe up, and that's how you close the app. And you can do that one app at a time. Or if you have a trash can sign like this at the bottom, you can click on it and instantly clear all the apps. Close as many apps as you can. 5, 10, 20, with one click you close all the apps at once. Friends, this is the very simple way you can close apps on absolutely any Android. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, and see you soon.